cooling or heating system on the fritz? Dripping faucet? Look no further than the pros at Yes Heating, Air Conditioning, Plumbing, and Electric. Call Yes today and we'll waive the service call fee with any heating, cooling, plumbing, or electrical system repair. The expert technicians at Yes are available 7 days a week to fix all of your HVAC, plumbing, and electrical problems. Yes Heating, Air Conditioning, Plumbing, and Electric, proudly serving Utah for more than 45 years. Just say yes and visit theyesmancan.com to schedule your appointment.